Hello and welcome to Ministry of JavaScript. In this video, we are going to be looking at another prototype methods of a string, which are .replace and .replaceAll. For example, in our case, we do have a string Ministry of JavaScript, and we are learning JavaScript, right? And what I want to do is I want to replace the first JavaScript with a word.js. So how can I do that? We do have a method of .replace. Let me just console.log and str.replace. So basically it will take two parameters. The first one is the value you want to search. In our case, the value is JavaScript, right? And the second value is going to be the replace value, and we want to replace the JavaScript with the word JS. So we will pass JS into the second argument, right? So as you can see that it has converted the first JavaScript with the word JS, right? That's what we want. But few of you do have a question in your mind that why it did not convert the last JavaScript and the second last JavaScript, right? So for that, to do that, we do have a method called .replaceAll. Now as you can see that it has converted all the JavaScript into JS. And in the first one, this is not necessary to pass a string directly like this. If you want to pass the regular expression over here, then you can do it as well. So let me show you. JavaScript. If I come over here and write, G, then as you can see that it has converted all our word of JavaScript with a word of JS. So that's all from this video. I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day.